Want to hide contacts on your iPhone like a pro? It's super easy, and I'm about to show you how. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out, and I've got plenty more tips coming your way. Thanks, guys. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the phone app and tap on Contacts at the bottom center. Now here's the trick. We're going to organize the contacts you want to hide into a separate list. Step 2. Tap Lists at the top left, then hit Add List under your Gmail account. Name it something subtle, like Hidden, and tap Add Contacts. Select the contacts you want to stash away, and boom, they're safely stored in your hidden list. Step 3. Here's where the magic happens. Head over to Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, then find and tap Contacts. Next, select Contact Accounts and choose your Gmail account. Toggle Contacts off, and when you see Delete from my iPhone, hit it. But don't panic, those contacts aren't gone forever. They're still stored safely in your email account. If you ever want to unhide them, just toggle Contacts back on, and everything will sync right back to your phone. Quick recap. 1. Create a hidden list in the Contacts app. 2. Store the contacts you want to hide in that list. 3. Go to Settings, Apps, Contacts, Contact Accounts, and toggle off Contacts for your Gmail account. 4. To unhide, just toggle it back on. Simple as that. And that's it. You're good to go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome iPhone tips.